So welcome to video number 2 of the 4-part Internet Jet Set introductory series. So in this video, I'm going to go over people. People are the most important part of your business. Getting people to view your content online and take your recommendations of products seriously it's going to transform your life. If you saw the previous video, make sure you go back and watch it. We showed a number of examples of businesses that are doing this model of marketing, and also a number of my students who are making hundreds of thousands and even millions of dollars per year doing affiliate marketing. Now, there are 2 methods of getting people into your business to view your product recommendations. The number 1 method of getting, these aren't in order, but number one of the 2 methods of getting people into your business is promotion. You can pay for ads online. So maybe when you're browsing the internet, you've seen banner ads, or if you're browsing Facebook, you see the little sponsored newsfeed posts, or you have pop-ups, I don't know, those annoying pop-ups. Or if you're on YouTube, you see those videos that interrupt your day playing. And that's one method of getting people to view your content online. But that's only half of the equation. So the other way to get people to view your product recommendations and come into your online business and make you commissions is attracting them to it. And there are 4 main methods of attracting people into your online business. So what I go over in Internet Jet Set is I teach people methods of attraction. Because promotion is very expensive. To utilize paid ads in your business, the best way to start a business is to start with as little money as possible, to get testing and to make money before you actually spend tons of money. So I've created the whole Internet Jet Set program purely around attraction. How to attract people to your business for free. And in the next few videos, what you're going to be seeing is I'm going to go over methods, free methods, without having to spend lots of money on ads, without having to buy lots of expensive software, without even having to have a website, that you can get people into your online business and start creating you real commissions checks. There are 4 main methods of attracting people into your online business. Let's go over some of them so far. By the way, make sure there should be a comments thing below. Are you getting some good information out of this video? If you are, let me know. I always love feedback. I love connecting with people. Send me a message on Facebook or something, man. 4 methods. So the first method to getting people into your online business is the biggest site on the internet, which is Google. Billions of people use Google every day. Google is the biggest site on the internet, and it's also the biggest source of people looking for anything people have a question about or are looking for. People use Google. Now, you can have your online site or your business found through Google, and I'll show you how to utilize Google to get for free to get people coming into your business in the Internet Jet Set series. The second main way of getting people into your online business is YouTube. YouTube is the second biggest search engine on the planet. People spend more time on YouTube than they do anywhere else besides Facebook. YouTube has an absolutely enormous amount of people using it every day. Think about how much you use YouTube. constantly on YouTube. I constantly have YouTube playing on my computer, or I'm watching videos on YouTube or on my TVs, etc. YouTube is the second way of getting people coming into your online business for free and not having to even maintain expensive websites or any of that. So the third way of getting people into your online business is Facebook. Facebook, like over 1 billion people are using Facebook every day. It's one of the most valuable companies on the internet. And you can get people coming from Facebook to help create your online business very easily and for free. And in the Internet Jet Set series, I go over a number of different methods that you can use right now to get people coming into your online business on Facebook without having to pay for ads, without having to pay for expensive things, and just getting people off of Facebook buying your products that you recommend, making you real commissions money. The fourth way of getting people to help you create your online business is email. Email is still one of the most widely used things. I don't know why. There's so much spam in email, but almost everybody in the world, at least here in America, uses email, and it's a massive way to help grow your business and get people taking your product recommendations seriously. So in the Internet Jet Set series, we show a number of ways to get people coming into your online business using all of these methods: Google, YouTube, Facebook, and email, so that you have the base of people that can support your whatever niche you choose. Now, in day 3 of the video series, we're going to go over, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Tomorrow's video, I'm going to show how do you pick the products that you recommend to people on these different traffic sources. So what niche you pick is very important. What products you decide to recommend to people are very important. So we're going to go over those in tomorrow's video. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I look forward to seeing you then. And leave a comment below if you're getting some valuable insight from these videos. I try to make them as engaging as possible because I realize a lot of people need help transitioning their business from the offline world into the online world. So see you tomorrow.